Hello everybody, today we will make a chicken sorrentino. We gotta start with the eggplant. I gotta slice 4 pieces. You gotta go in the oven to cook a little bit. I got the oven on already 400 degrees. And now I got this brush. The brush and the eggplant only like this, both sides. And I use olio di oliva. This I do this other one over here like this, both sides. Not too much oil, only little bit like that. And we put in the oven. Do not stay too long. The only thing you gotta cook a little bit. Now we start with the chicken. And we put oil. 2 breast chicken and salt and black pepper. And we pick up the chicken. Look. I like this parts again no stick. It's so good. Okay. And now we make a nice color both sides. The chicken. Okay, now we turn on the other side. And look how beautiful look this chicken. Ah, beautiful sorrentina. Okay, it's like 7 minutes. I like to put a little bit more oil on the top. Spray a little bit more. Not too much, but we give another coat oil. All right. And we put it back now inside of the oven. And we keep it like maybe about 4 or 5 more minutes. And the chicken is ready to go. Let me see. Yes. It's enough, because after you gotta go in the oven, because still you gotta cook it together with the eggplant, the sauce, and the prosciutto. Turn the gas off, and I put the chicken right over here on this dish. I gotta use a little sauce on a bottle first. Okay, look really good. And look how nice you look at this eggplant, both sides, look. Is that nice? Okay. We need little sauce on a bottle over here. The pots. Homemade sauce. This is the sauce I make every single year. That's enough. And we make a little turn. The sauce that go every place like that. Now we take the chicken. And we put the chicken right over here. And we push like everything you gotta be on the sauce. Now this is done the chicken. Now we gotta put the prosciutto. And the prosciutto, each piece of chicken, it got the prosciutto like that. So it's a little bigger the prosciutto. The only thing you leave a roll like this a little bit. And we put another piece right over here. And we got the last piece. Okay, now we take the eggplant and we put 1 piece each chicken. And this is the last piece, and we put it right over here like this. We put a little sauce, each one, like that. Okay, we put a little bit on the bottle, a little bit more sauce, like this. It's enough. And now we got the fondina, and the fondina gotta go right on the top. Put 1. Okay, here we got it. More. Okay, now this is going in the oven. In the oven, it's 400 degrees. And let's put it inside. Okay, sorrentino, be nice. Okay, good. After that, I give a little dance. Ooh, my chicken will be ready with a nice glass of wine. E salute cin cin everybody. Cin cin. Okay, now the chicken is all done. And let's take it out. Look how beautiful. Huh? And no stick not. So nice. And let's take 1 piece. Oh, look how nice. Okay, let me taste my chicken sorrentina. It's delicious. Cin cin.